In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show and hide channels in Microsoft Teams. This is a great way to keep your workspace clean and organized, especially if you're part of multiple teams with lots of channels. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams. You can use either the desktop app or the web version. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Teams interface where all your teams and channels are listed on the left-hand side. Now, locate the team that contains the channel you want to hide or show. Click on the team name to expand it and display all available channels under that team. To hide a channel, find the specific channel you no longer need to see all the time. Hover your mouse over the channel name, then click on the three dots, also known as the More Options menu. From the list that appears, select Hide. The channel will immediately disappear from your channel list, helping reduce clutter. If you ever need to bring that channel back, don't worry, it's easy to show it again. Scroll to the bottom of your Teams list and look for the Hidden Channels section under the same team. Click on it to expand the list, find the hidden channel, then click Show. The channel will return to your main channel list. Keep in mind that hiding a channel does not remove you from it. You'll still receive notifications if you're mentioned, and you can always access it again whenever needed. And that's it. You now know how to show and hide channels in Microsoft Teams to better manage your workspace and stay focused on what matters most. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.